Hi, my name's Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Stripe account in TenantCloud. Stripe is a great payment processor for people using credit or debit cards. The first payment made will take 7 business days to process, but all payments after that will arrive in your account within 2 business days. Stripe also allows for 13 different currencies to be used within their system. Now let's set up a Stripe account. First, click the settings gear in the top right corner. Next, click Online Payments from the left side menu. Select Setup from the Stripe section. Select the country, then copy and paste your live secret key and live publishable key from your Stripe account into the corresponding fields. If you have not yet set up a Stripe account, you can do so right from the screen. Once you've completed your setup on Stripe, log back into TenantCloud and fill in the required fields. Click Create once you are done. And that's how easy it is to set up a Stripe account on TenantCloud.